Hello everyone. So like we are going through the QGIS software for making maps, there is one more tool that is very helpful in making maps, that is the Datawrapper. So for using the Datawrapper, you have to go to its website, and the website is www.datawrapper.de. So go to this website. The Datawrapper is an online solution to creating interactive visualizations. So you can create maps, charts, graphs, many things with the help of it. So once you go to this website, you will have to log in. So now I already have an account, but if you are a new user, you will have to sign in and create your own account. And then you will have to start creating with the maps as given here, start creating. If I go to my dashboard, since I have already logged into this data wrapper, if I go to my website dashboard, sorry, I can see the projects that I have done under this. Okay, so I'll go back. So when you go to this website, first you have to create your account and then log in with your account and then go to start creating. So when you go to start creating, okay, so it gives you, see, if you go to this create new, it gives you that with the help of data wrapper, you can create chart, you can create map, you can create table also. See, I want to create map. Okay. So what kind of map do you want to create? It is asking me. So there are different varieties of the map that you can make with the help of data wrapper. So do you want to make a choropleth map? So what is choropleth map? The color regions shows the data like unemployment rates or election results on a map. So different things that you want to show with the help of the colors. Okay. So that you can show, like you would have seen the darker regions show that it has the highest number, the lighter region shows it has the lowest number. So likewise, when you want to make use of the colors for different areas, so for a particular region, say, so for that you can, that map is called the choropleth map. Then you can even create symbol map. So what is symbol map? Create symbol size and color according to the data. The more the data, the more the size of the symbol. It signifies that. So you can also make a symbol map or the locator map just to add the location. Add markers to a map to show where something is located or something has happened. Okay, so this is the locator map. So say I want to create a choropleth map. So I'll go here. So I have clicked on making a choropleth map. So for making a map, there are 4 steps. Select your map, add your data, visualize, publish, and embed. So these are the 4 steps that are involved while making a map. So see, here it is asking me, what type of map do you want to create? So I'll have to search for, say I want some particular country. Okay, say India. So it gives me so many maps. India Assam Assembly constituencies, about districts of Arunachal Pradesh, whatnot. There are so many maps which are already available in the data wrapper, which we can use it to show your data. Okay, so these are the already available maps. Okay, or if there is something that is not there in the data wrapper, some type of map that is not there in the data wrapper, you can mail it to them. They will make that map and send it back to you within say 15 days or a month, and then you can upload that map here. Okay, so for now, I'll check on the world itself. Okay, and then go to proceed. Then now add your data. Now maps, that is the outline, boundary, everything that was already there in the data wrapper. Now what data you want to show on that map is the main thing that you should have. Okay. So either you can type the data manually or you can add it from some Excel sheet. Okay. So here either you can upload a CSV file or an Excel sheet which will show this data. You can copy paste directly here, or you can manually also write it down, or you can copy paste your data including the header, row or column. There are various options by which you can write the data here. So I have a data already about sorry. Huh. So I have this data about CO2 emissions country wise per capita and the per tons per, I mean CO2 emissions in tons and CO2 emissions per capita in tons. So this data I have already. So what I will do, I'll copy this, go to this data wrapper one. Here I'll click and say Control V. So you can see all my data got pasted here. Correct? So this is one thing by which you can import your data here. Okay. So now if you can see on the left side, the map has already been created. And which map is this? It is the chloropeth map. That is area wise the difference in the color. The more the darker, the more the value of the CO2 emission it shows that. Correct. Now, if you see here, you can see United States in red color and there is a drop down because data wrapper identifies the names of different countries, correct? If they are incorrect or somewhat different. So, United States was written in my file, but actually the name of the country is United States of America. So, if I click on this, it gets corrected. Likewise, there might be other country name also which might differ according to the data that I have and according to the data that the data wrapper accepts it. So if I go down, see here, Czech Republic. So if I go here and say change it, okay. So you can change it and then it will accept it. Likewise, you can get few errors in red color, not error, but the name of that country or that name of that content is a different one in what sense the data wrapper accepts it. Okay. So once you are done with it, see, if you go to this match, okay, you can see select column A for country, correct? So I want to deal with two data sets, that is country and CO2 emissions per capita. Select columns for values. So whether I want it per capita or whether I want a map for tons through complete tons of CO2 emissions. So I can select any one of it. So I will select per capita emissions. Okay. And of course, like I told you, the country as the first column. Okay. Then check. So like I said, if you want to scroll down and see the errors that the file is creating, I mean file is having due to the name of the countries, you can do that way or go to this check and then see which are the red color errors and then click on it and then change the country name and it will get, it will get corrected. Okay. So likewise, you can change it. Then once you are done with it, you can proceed. Okay. So once you proceed, we have come to this visualize tab. Now you can actually visualize your map here. Okay. So this is the layout of the map that is created. Now you can style it in the way you want. Okay. You can change the color palette. That also you can change. See. Okay. Then you will insert a title here. Say, I'll say CO2 emissions. Just that I will keep it here. Okay. Then use, there are other things also for styling. See, enable highlighting on hover, reverse legend item order if you want to reverse it. I don't want to reverse it. Make map zoomable. So you have a zoom out, zoom in option here. Inset map. So inset map in the sense, see, if I go click on any of the country, it gets highlighted and the name of the country with the data comes in, correct? Then this way the map height I can adjust. Okay, hide region borders. If I do this, the region borders of the country gets hidden, but I don't want that. Okay, I want the country borders to be seen in the white color it is seen, correct? Then you want the full map or you want to crop to data, many other options that you can go through. Okay, once I'm done with this, go to this annotate. Okay, so title I have written CO2 emission. You can write some descriptions. Say due to industrialization Just a random remark that I'm writing. The CO2. Okay. Just a random data that I have written. Then you can add some nodes. Then you can also write the source of the data from where you got that source, the link of that data. So that also you can paste it. So anyone who gets help from this file can go through that source as well. Okay. So you can go to show labels, all those things you can do. Okay. See, if I go to show labels, I can get the label of the countries, but I don't want that. So I'll uncheck that. Okay. Then next, go to layout. Then there are other more options that are available. Then I'll say image download options enable so that anyone who goes to this map through the link, they can even download, they would get this download image thing also to download the map. Okay, so whether you want it in the PNG, PDF, SVG format that you can do. I'll also check on embed link. Okay, see, you see the changes that are happening here. Okay, embed, so I can get the link. Social media share buttons. Whatever map I'm making, say I want to share it on social media. So I can enable that. You can directly see the options of the social media available. Okay. Then next I'll proceed, publish and embed. That is the final step. Now my map is created. Correct. So see, my map is created. Now I have got all the options. We get data, embed, download image, everything. Publishing on social media, zoom in, zoom out, legends, title, description, everything that I wanted, it is there in my map. So it is now being created. Now you can go to publish now. So this will be um, on my dashboard. This project will be seen. Anyone can go through this with the link of the data wrapper, can access it. So I will go to publish now. So congrats, your visualization is successfully published. You can now share or embed it. I can use the link of it and I can share it also on the other website if needed. So this is how you can make the simple maps with the use of Datawrapper also, which is they have a ready-made template, so you don't have to do much work on it. I will also show you if I do this download image, that image of this map will get downloaded. See, the image got downloaded. Correct. So this is how you can make some simple maps, some different types of maps with the help of Datawrapper. Not going much into difficulty level, but it is the simplest way of making the maps with Datawrapper. Thank you so much.